Today's video is about unboxing time for Christmas. I'm so happy. I'm gonna show you like what I got for Christmas 2022, so let's go. Hi guys, I hope you're well. I'm so excited to be here today. I'm gonna show you what I got for Christmas, but first I'm gonna put this like aside because this is actually super huge and I want to be comfy to make you this video, of course. So I'm gonna just install myself like very comfy because this was not comfy because this is very huge. So I'm very excited again to be here on this YouTube channel, and today's video is about an unboxing for Christmas. So this is what I got for Christmas 2022. This is what I got mostly. I might have another video who's going out maybe soon. If this is not sure, I'm telling you, but maybe. So let's stay tuned and don't forget to click on the bell notification just below the video if you want to receive a notification when I have a new video. I'm just saying, I might have another video with another Christmas unboxing. I don't know yet, but I hope. Okay, so if you don't know me yet, my name is Margot. I'm 27 years old. I was saying like I'm 22. No. It was a long time ago. No, I'm 27 years old. I live in Barcelona right now, but I'm French, as you can hear with my accent. So be very nice in the comment section with my accents, please. And yes, today's video is about like Christmas unboxing. I'm so excited because I'm gonna show you what I got and I'm gonna explain a bit why I got this, where I got this, why, how much, and everything. But yes, I am so excited about this. Like, I'm thrilled because this was not really the year because with my boyfriend, we try to invest in other things. So this was not very like Christmas gifts were not important this year, but we also made ourselves gifts because this is also super important to gift yourself when you work super hard. This is super important to gift yourself. That's all I'm saying. One life, that's all. Okay, I'm just gonna show you the first gift I got. This is from Jimmy Choo. Jimmy Choo is a shoe brand, and this is the brand for shoes that I prefer in the whole universe. Let me explain why this is my favorite brand for ever. If you work at Jimmy Choo or if you, I don't know, I love you guys. I made like an internship. My last big internship was at Jimmy Choo and I was so freaking happy because I knew Jimmy Choo because of Sex and the City. So it was my dream brand. I was like, oh my God, Jimmy Choo. And yeah, I worked there at the retail office and I was so freaking happy and yeah, to know more about how it's working and so on, because this was actually already a brand that I loved. I did not had already a pair of Jimmy Choo yet back then, but thanks to my internship, I was able then to have one. So yeah, I started my own collection of Jimmy Choo. So like now this is like, I think this is like the 5th pair I have from Jimmy Choo. I don't remember. I will need to show you guys all my shoe collection. This is not huge, but still I'm happy. And I love Jimmy Choo because they are super trendy. They are classical, but also trendy. They are super comfy. Like, I can assure you they are all very comfy. You have like for women, for men, for bridal, they have an amazing bridal collection. Like if one day I have to marry, not have to, I'd be very happy to marry my boyfriend. But anyway, if we organize like something, I will have to get a Jimmy Choo for me. This is like mandatory. I want to be married in Jimmy Choo, of course. Anyway, these are amazing shoes and this is for all type of person, like all style. Anyway, and they have usually kind of private sale, like they have private sale at 40%, 50% sometimes, and it is worth it, like clearly worth it. Okay, I'm gonna open it now. So I went to Paris. I did not went to Barcelona for these ones because I was working in Paris at the retail office, and sometimes I was going to work to help like the store in Avenue Montaigne, and so I went there because I already know them and I was very happy to say hi, and yeah, because I really love them. They're super cute, and the store manager there, Maxime, is a pépite. He's amazing, he's very nice, I really like him. So if you want to go to Jimmy Choo, I would advise you to go to Avenue Montaigne or Les Galeries Lafayette too. They are very nice, very nice, very nice. So mostly, I love to go to Montaigne for Jimmy Choo. I will need to go to Barcelona too to try the shop, to see the essays, if they're nice or not, and if I want to buy something quick. But anyway, I'm gonna show you right now. And for the story, I received an email from my essay saying that they had private sales. So I went mid-November and November to get them. And I was looking at first for white sneakers. So it's been like 1.5 years that I want white sneakers, but this is freaking hard to find, guys. Like white, completely white, this is hard to find for the size. Because it needs to be super comfy. I'm very complicated for this, and I could not find anything. And when I received the email from Jimmy Choo, I was looking for white sneakers too, and I found 3 different pair of white sneakers. I was so happy, and I decided to go to Montaigne to try them, but they did not have them yet. I arrived like on Saturday, and they were going to have them like on Tuesday. So I was like, yeah, no, I'm not gonna be in Paris anymore. But Maxime, the store manager, showed me another pair who were on 50% off. So this was super interesting. I did not got any over discount, guys, okay? So I had like the discount for normal clients, and I'm gonna show you what I got. So this is not white sneakers. I was sad. So I might need to go to Barcelona store to try like the white sneakers because I still want to try them. And ta-da, they are amazing. I'm gonna show you more closer. Well, more close or not, but I'm gonna close the box and I'm gonna put like the shoes on the box. Okay, so I'm very happy to show you this. These are the Cora flats in strass with crystal, I don't know. I took the size 37. In Jimmy Choo, I'm size 37 and a half, depends on the shoes. You need to try, this is so important, shoes you need to try. And I had an eye on them for like a year, and I was like, they were kind of expensive for me, like 1,090 euros for me. It is expensive so far, for now. I hope in a few years it won't be expensive anymore, you know. But it was expensive for me, and I saw them, they were like 50% off, so 540 something. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna have them if they suit me well. So I tried them and they were just amazing, very comfy, like super comfy, not too heavy, very good quality. And this is Jimmy Choo, so I was like, okay, for sure I'm gonna have them. And they had my size, so yeah, it was perfect. Like, I really love them. They are very classic, as you can see, but with a touch of strass here. So this is very chic. And you have like a zipper here to open and close the shoes. You have also here everything. So no, this is perfect for this. No, I'm super happy actually. Like, what do you think about these ones? And I'm gonna go for the second gift I had. So I'm gonna just put this aside, of course, in order to show you guys the second gift I had. So I was still looking for the white sneakers, and I was still in Avenue Montaigne, and I decided to go to Céline to try the white sneakers they had, because I never bought anything from Céline. This is my first purchase at Céline, so I was actually very happy to try them on. I was not supposed to buy anything because I just bought like these ones. So the Jimmy Choo are a gift from me to me. I love to gift me, like sometimes, like when I work hard, this is an intense time, I love to gift myself. Why not, you know? So yeah, we went to Céline, and I was just only like trying the shoes. I did not want to buy them at first. I'm gonna show you something impressive about Céline, that the bags and the boxes are very good quality. Anyway, so I was going to Céline and I met an essay. His name is Richard, and he's super nice. So if you go to Paris and you go to Avenue Montaigne, try to go to Céline and ask for Richard, because he is very, very nice, and I really appreciate my first experience. And my first experience was amazing thanks to Richard, actually. So I'm gonna open them right now. I'm gonna show you right now. So I have the dust bag also. The dust bags are also amazing quality. Like, I have to admit, Céline has very good quality for accessories and packaging. I'm gonna close the box now. So, I am freaking happy about this. I'm gonna show you right now. Ooh, amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, so these are Céline white sneakers. I am beyond happy that I was able to get them. So you have the Céline just here, here too, and on the sole just here. I took 36 because it was super big. This was super big, so I took 36 for the size. I took 36 for the size because it was super big. Yeah, 36. Usually I'm having like a 37, and for Céline it's 46. I don't know why. I tried also the moccasin. Oh, amazing too. I really want to them, but it's a bit expensive. So these one were 590 euros. They were not on sale. My boyfriend got me them, but he purchased them for me for Christmas. So I'm very happy because I could not buy 2 pairs of shoes like in one day. It was too much. Anyway, so it was very nice to offer me these for Christmas. I'm very happy. They are super comfy. Like guys, really, they are amazing comfy. I would still want to go to Jimmy Choo to try the white sneakers to see like if they're comfy or not and so on. Also, before this, I've tried the Hermes one. So I made a pre-order from the store to receive the Kelly in store to try them. I tried them, the white sneakers with the Kelly locker. They were amazing, like really cool, but not very comfy, not for me. Like the leather was too hard for me at least. So I finally did not get them, but I was sad because I love that shoe. So I was sad actually because I really wanted them, but it needs to be comfy. Anyway, so I'm very happy because they are so comfy. If you are looking for a white pair of sneakers and you want something very comfy, these are the one you need to get. Like clearly, these are the one. I'm gonna link everything in description just below the video. I'm gonna link like this pair of white sneakers. I'm gonna link also different white sneakers and also different pair of boots and different pair of Jimmy Choo shoes. Anyway, I was super happy to make you this video, like this year, my Christmas gift for 2022. If I have other gifts, I will make you other unboxing, but so far this is what I got, so I'm very happy about this. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts. If you have any questions about them, I will reply very gladly because I'm always super happy to reply to you, to see your comments and everything. Even if you don't really know what to say, you can just cheer me up, like saying, "Woo, well done, congrats for your videos," or I don't know. Actually, I'm gonna close and pack it, and I'm gonna close everything. Anyway, thank you again for watching this video. I'll just put you 2 other videos you need to watch just here. So I'll see you in 5 seconds. Bye, bisous.